Hi, I'm Mary Phillips. I'm gonna show you the essential tools I use to get my lash routine. So this is the ProCurl Lash Curler, and this is designed for a rounder eye. The top bar has a little bit more of a curve to it, so it can get every single lash, all the way at the highest point without pinching. And you always wanna get as close to the lash line as possible. And I always like to curl lashes when they're clean before you apply the mascara. Mascara really defines the curl. It also helps hold the curl in place. I always like to have them look down, and again, I'm gonna grab the lid a little bit just to secure it. Just a little bit on the lower lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with the eyelash comb, and I'm just gonna gently comb it out, just to give the lashes like some nice separation. And I'm gonna do a little bit on the lower lash. Now I'm gonna take the Lash Assist, and I'm going to put on a few little single individual hairs, just on kind of like the outer corner of the eye. And this tool makes applying lashes so easy because it really allows you to get right in there with the falsie. You can really get like as close to the base of the lashes as possible. So this is the Every Lash Curler by Tweezerman. I'm gonna go in now and curl the ends of the lashes, and I love this tool because when you put the real lashes and the falsies in together and squeeze it together, it gives it a real seamless look like they're her real lashes. I'm gonna slide it in and just give it a little light pump. And I'm just gonna move down a little bit more. And now I'm gonna add just a little bit more mascara to her lashes and the falsies. And that's our lash routine.